is Matt. Welcome to Super Sample Stuff! What we're going to be doing today, science experiments, outdoors time, news around the globe,
and the globe.
Some outtakes, maybe?
Oh, there'll definitely be outtakes, definitely. So what experiment are we going to do today?
We're going to learn about static electricity.
Static electricity?
Yeah.
I thought electricity was bad though. Doesn't it shock you? Electric.
This one does not.
Oh, this one does not.
Wah, 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 doesn't it?
Okay.
Okay.
We're on a different table today, simply because everyone's using the table in the front to do some colouring, so we're using this slightly smaller table, but it's all good. So what do we need for this experiment?
We need some combs. What?
Whoa.
Okay. Why would we actually need combs? I don't know.
To comb your hair? But it can't be a brush. It does really need to be a comb. What else do we need though?
We need some pieces of paper.
Any paper?
Toilet roll.
Toilet roll or kitchen roll.
Toilet roll or kitchen roll. That's super funny.
Whoa.
Oh my god.
You got to the toilet quick. Okay, brilliant.
To the toilet quick.
Well, how did you get the paper? You must be like Sonic the Hedgehog. So the first thing we need to do with this actually is rip it up into lots of little bits. This might take a while, so we're going to fast forward. So what you'll end up with is basically a little pile of what looks like confetti. What do we need to do now?
We need to rub it in our hair. Oh, I'm just doing
comb our hair.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Then what?
We need to put it by the paper somehow.
The paper's moving?
That's it.
Mine's not moving. Oh yeah, it is.
Come on, Mr. Paper.
The paper is moving. It's moving to the air.
If you be really quick, it just moves into the air.
Whoa! Oh, you picked it up! Oh, that was brilliant!
I'm gonna make it come to the end of the table.
So somehow we're doing something that means that the paper gets attracted to the combs. But what? And this is all static electricity.
Yep.
What else is attracted, do you think? I think we need to take this to another room.
A really scientific room.
Where do you think we should go?
Kitchen!
Let's go to the kitchen.
Okay, bye guys.
What are we doing in the kitchen?
We've come to see if anything else is static.
What do we need for this bit then?
Maybe we need the tap.
We need the tap. Okay, we've got the tap then. What else do we need?
Maybe a balloon.
A balloon? Whoa! Where did you get that from?
I don't know. So how does it work?
Well, let's show you. I'm going to turn our extra little camera on so we can get a close-up view. So, what we need to do is turn the water on so it's on just a little bit.
A tiny bit.
What you need to do is rub it on your head. And what we've done there, we've charged it with negative particles.
Does it make Lego?
It does make it. And in the water, there's positive particles, and positive and negative particles want to come together. So as you can see, whoa!
Can't even. Oh my god! It's like a snake.
It is, yeah. It goes all the way round the balloon. Eventually, it'll wear off because all the particles will wear out, and then all you need to do is recharge it.
It doesn't work if you get the balloon wet. Okay, guys, remember that's a fact.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Ooh, can I do it?
Yeah, then you do it on my head.
That's really funny. It actually makes your hair go.
Does it?
Follow me, Dancer. Follow me. Okay, that's cool.
Now make sure that spot's pointing to. Whoa! It is amazing, and it's so simple. So the super simple science here is when you rub the balloon on your hair, it's being charged with negative particles, and in the water, there's both negative and positive. But the positive particles in the water get attracted to the negative particles in the balloon.
That's That's really interesting.
That is really interesting.
I did not know.
Same reason that magnets attract. When you put two magnets together, it's the positive part of a magnet and the negative part of the magnets, which are the opposites, that connect together. If you turn one of the magnets round, sometimes they don't connect. So that's how you see how static works, with literally a tap and a balloon.
And people, and me. and if you have hair, if you cut all your hair off and bald, it might work if you rub it on your head without hair. Nobody knows.
Just give it a try. Anyway, back to the back room. How much that water moved was quite. That was cool. That was really cool. But now back in the back room, there's something else you can do that I've heard. Should we give it a try?
I think you can stick it to the wall.
Stick a balloon to a wall?
I think I know how you do that.
Okay, you go ahead, let's see. We're going to get it recorded on here as well.
Okay.
So you're building up that negative static again. Oh, I don't know if that got attracted then, or whether it seemed like you pushed it a little bit. Let's have another try.
I think
Hang on,
I'll do
go
it
for it.
before.
So we're going to give it a go. Ready?
Is that her?
No?
Oh my god.
Oh, it comes down, but it does kind of stick to the wall.
Oh, I'll do it maybe 50 times.
Go for it.
1.
It does get attracted to the wall. So it still falls down, but it definitely gets attracted to the wall.
That's it, guys. You can move paper with a comb.
Yeah.
And you can move water with a balloon.
And you can even make it stick to the wall or attract to the wall. I think maybe you need to rub it longer or have a better balloon. I don't know. Give it a try at home and see what you think. Let us know if it sticks to the wall or not.
Because that is good. What if we made it stick to the ceiling in some video?
Oh, we'll try that, couldn't we?
It's time for the amazing outdoors time!
Yeah!
The International Space Rocket Smasher! Boom! I got a knife. I mean, no knives. I'm a ninja! Catch! Ow! Almost jumped on the edge. Guys, what's this? Children. I don't know.
There goes the camera.
Welcome to Super Simple Stuff News. Hi again. It's me, Thomas Kiki Go Go.
And it's me, Jonathan.
Good name, Master.
Thank you.
Did you know ants never sleep? I bet they party instead. Good one, isn't it?
A tiger's skin is striped just like its fur.
Ooh. Everybody has different fingerprints, but fell for the tongue. They have different fingerprints on their tongue. If you heard me, I said they have different fingerprints on their tongue. Yeah, they have different
Tongue prints?
They have different tongue prints. Yeah, okay.
Different tongue prints?
Yeah.
If you could drive a car upwards, it would only take you 2 hours to drive into space.
What?
What?
Duh.
Yeah.
That's it for me.
And that's it from me.
Some simple stuff news out. We had a great time today, didn't we?
What was that?
I'll pull the radiator off to
Is
see.
it still on the wall? I think it's fine. So yeah, we had a great time today, other than being scared by the radiator. I thought the static electricity thing today, especially how much the balloon pulled the water, or attracted the water, should I say, was really, really cool. Really, really cool. What do they need to do if they haven't done already yet? What buttons do they need to hit?
Hit that like button and hit that subscribe button if you wanted the notifications and if you want to see the video. Okay, I don't know what that was all about.
But hit like, hit subscribe on our videos. Thank you very much. We've had a fantastic time. We'll see you all again. Super simple stuff.
Out!
But don't go there just yet because you need to stick around for
The outtakes!
super simple news. Hang on a minute. I did that wrong. It's not good. That ain't gonna work, is it? No. Ready?
Why don't we put it in and put it in a launcher and then go?
Ah!
What?
Don't worry. Didn't have my time.
Ow! I just hit myself in the head and it really hurt.
Don't do that. That'll hurt.
1, 2, 3, 4. It's worth taking your time because it really hurts if you smack yourself on the head. Seriously, it's really funny.
And that's it from
Me! Does this should be an outtake.
Okay.
Does not
This does not shock you.
electrify you.
Ooh, good word.
Finally.
Finally.
Please.